toddler.
Hi friends! Let's do yoga with Fiona the Fox. Are you ready? Let's start. Come on, my dear friends. Let's try the tree pose. Stretch up, up, up. Yes, just like this. The tree pose. Oh no! Oopsie monkey, not like that. Try again. One more time. And 3, 2, 1. Release. Excellent. That was amazing, my dear friends. Okay, now let's spin, spin, spin. Whee! Spin, spin, spin with Fiona. Now it's time for another pose. The downward dog pose. Let's do it. Yes, hold it. Benny, that's not it. Bottom up, head down. Stretch. Hold that V. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Yippee! Now stomp, 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 stomp with Fiona. Now it's time for the Cobra Pose. On your stomach, kids. It's Cobra Pose, not a lion. Don't have to roar. Let's try again. Cobra Pose. Stretch up and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Excellent. Amazing, friends. You're doing great. Kick, 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 kick with Fiona. Now it's time for another pose. The child's pose. Look carefully. Hey, bunny. Hey, bear. What are you doing? Come on, try the child's pose. 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Jump, 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 jump with Fiona. Now it's time for the butterfly pose. Sit down, bend your knees. Oops, Ella, you don't have to fly like a butterfly. Come back and try it with us. Now, hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Amazing! Touch, touch! Touch your toes with Fiona. Make a big star. Star pose, like a star. Come on, kids, try with us. The star pose. Hold it, kids. Arms